3 things that you should not be doing when you are experiencing emotional pain or you are feeling that you're emotionally charged. The first thing you should not be doing is to try to analyze it to find a solution by reliving the same moment that gave you that charge. Because when you're doing that, you're basically creating the same experience over and over again in your head by experiencing it, which means that you're living the same pain over and over again and even getting stronger. So what does that mean? You're basically re-traumatize yourself by the same experience over and over and over again. And I used to do that a lot when I was still with my ex-girlfriend back then. I didn't know any other tools, and I was trying to figure out a way. What's the reason why we're not working? Why we're arguing? And I'm trying to find a solution. And I basically go back to the same moment as the first person and trying to figure out what's happening there. And by doing that, I did not resolve the issue. I did not have a solution. I came back and I got more angry. So don't do that. The second thing that you should not be doing is to suppress the emotion. Because whenever we suppress something, it will come back, right? Like what they say, whatever we resist persists. So every emotion comes for a reason. There's a part of us that's trying to express itself, it's trying to tell you something, and you're not listening. And if you suppress it, it will come back even stronger. And it's never a good way. So don't suppress it. Instead, release it. The third thing that you should not be doing is to disconnect from others, meaning other people, other environments, other activities you want to do. Because when we are emotionally charged, we tend to just stay in our own shell, and because and try to figure that out and try to experience that emotion deeply. And by doing that, we're not allowing our mind to come up with a better solution, because the problem was associated with the state you're in, with the emotion you're in. And you can't solve the problem with the same emotion that's created the problem. So if we isolate ourselves, we're basically trapped in our own emotions. And sometimes I know it feels familiar. If we force ourselves to do something, to move our body, to do some activities, to connect with others, to talk, to move, to speak, to just yell, whatever you want to do, that's the first step for you to really let go and express that feeling and release that emotion. And by doing that, we're basically allowing ourselves to be open up for new opportunities and possibilities to really let that feeling go away. So hopefully it's useful. So when you're emotionally charged, don't go back, live the same moment, and don't suppress it. And lastly, don't disconnect yourself from others. Hopefully you'll find these 3 tips useful.